Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. The first ingredient we are going to be using in our hair growth recipe is nettle powder. You can also use dried nettle leaves if you have, and if you don't have, you can purchase nettle powder from your local market or from Amazon. I have used nettle several times in my hair growth recipe, and I have done a lot of videos with nettle and other ingredients. Nettle has many essential nutrients that can benefit hair health. It also contains vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, D, and E. Nettle also contains minerals like flavonoids, silica, and antioxidants. All these nutrients and vitamins contribute to healthy looking hair and hence providing a good scalp environment. Nettle also helps to protect the hair from free radicals and also helps to stop hair loss. Another powerful ingredient I'm going to be adding to the recipe is moringa powder. Moringa is amazing because another powerful ingredient I'm going to be adding to the recipe is moringa powder. Moringa is rich in minerals and vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B, C, and E. All these nutrients work together to contribute to the nourishment of the hair follicles and strengthening the hair strands. Moringa is also powerful because it helps to boost hair growth and helps to increase hair thickness and stopping hair thinning. The vitamin B in moringa helps to improve blood circulation in the scalp, hence allowing the hair follicles to grow strong and healthy. Moringa contains zinc, which helps to deeply nourish the hair and protect the hair from drying and keeping the oil glands in the scalp healthy. Now I'm going to go ahead and transfer all the ingredients to this mason jar. I'm just going to use about 1.5 tablespoons of each ingredient. I'm not going to use a lot because the ingredients are in powder form and they are very concentrated, but again it depends on the amount of treatment you are making. So now that I'm done transferring all the ingredients to the mason jar, I'm going to go ahead and use only 1 cup of hot water. I'm not going to use a lot of water because I want the treatment to be more effective. After that, I'm going to use a spoon to mix them together until they mix completely. And after that, I'm gonna cover them and I'm gonna leave them in a dark corner to infuse for 24 hours. So after 24 hours of infusion, this is how the treatment looks. As you can see, the color is now dark, which means that the infusion process took place nicely. Now let's go ahead and strain out the treatment because that's what we are interested in. So if you guys are still watching this video up to this point and yet you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and also give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying it. And now this is how the treatment looks. As you can see, it's very potent. The next ingredient I will be adding is fresh aloe vera. My aloe vera are already clean. I washed and removed the sides or the thorns. Now they are clean. I'm just going to scoop out the aloe vera gel and I'm going to be using a knife to scoop out. You can also use a spoon just to be on safer side because remember aloe vera is slippery. Aloe vera contains vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B12 and folic acid. All these nutrients help to strengthen your hair, slowing down the process of hair loss and reducing hair breakage. Now I'm done scooping out the aloe vera gel. I'm just going to go ahead and transfer to a blender and I'm going to blend. I'm going to strain out the aloe vera juice and I'm going to use a piece of cloth to strain out. You can use a strainer, a wig cup or a cheesecloth. Use anything with tiny holes. Now we have the aloe vera juice. Next, I'm going to go ahead and mix the treatment together. So if you guys are still watching this video up to this point and yet you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and also give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying it. After mixing the treatment together, now I'm going to transfer to an applicator bottle so I can go ahead and show you guys how to use on our hair. Today I'm going to be applying the treatment when my hair is still twisted. I'm not going to take down twists. I will be using this as a leave-in. So first I'm gonna be spraying it from the scalp and then to the roots, distributed to the hair strands and to the ends of my hair. The treatment is beneficial for both scalp and hair, so apply on your scalp and take time to massage it. Concentrate first on your scalp before going to the hair strands. So as you can see, I'm applying it from my scalp, then I distribute it to my hair strands and to the ends using my fingers. So I also give a little bit of massage on my scalp so that it can penetrate to the hair strands because the hair is still in twist. So I'm going to take time and make sure that each single section or each twist is well hydrated with treatment. And once I apply, I will use my fingers to squeeze the treatment so that it can get inside my hair strands. So I'm going to repeat the same process to every corner of my head, applying it and then using my fingers and my hands to squeeze it so that every single section is well hydrated and coated. Once I'm done with that section, now I move to the other section and repeat the same process. Once I'm done applying it, I'm going to be following up by moisturizing my hair with my hair moisturizer, which is a leave-in conditioner. This step is very beneficial. Do not skip it. Every time you apply hair growth spray, make sure to moisturize your hair. Once I'm done applying a leave-in conditioner, I will also follow up by applying my hair butter in order to seal in moisture and to lock it. So it is also important to seal in moisture so that your hair stays moisturized for a couple of days. We are coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching and for your time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Also turn on the bell notification so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.